probably thought that you were done seeing this face. Hate to break it to you, babes, I'm back. I chopped my hair, by the way. I hate it. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kiana Walker. I know I've been gone for like a month, but we're back, so it's fine. This is a full face of Wet n Wild. I think I have literally everything for a full face. I'm sure I don't because I am so unprepared for everything in life. So the first thing that we're going to be trying out is the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil. I got it in the shade Brunette. If any of these things don't match me, we're just really not going to talk about it, okay? Because I don't know what to tell you. So I got this one because it was like $3 and I was like, okay, yeah, down. I didn't get the Anastasia Brow Wiz because they're both little skinny pencils and that's what I like. So we're going to try it. This is in the shade Brunette. Hopefully it matches my brows. It also has a spoolie on the end and $3 compared to 20 is a steal. So I have yet to find anything I like better than the Brow Wiz. It looks like it'll match my color. That's good. $20 for something, but I can get it for $3. Okay, abort Brow Wiz. Oh, and I just broke it, so. For $3, over 21, like, I'm just saying. This is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air Color Icon palette. And if y'all didn't know, my favorite eyeshadow palette of all time is Modern Renaissance. It looks like this. As you can tell, I've literally destroyed this palette. And this palette just reminded me so much of it. Obviously, it has like the burgundies and the deep shades and the mauve. I'm just gonna do a super basic look. I honestly just want to test out the quality of these shadows. I haven't tried Wet n Wild eyeshadow since their little like walking on eggshells trio. This is a little too orange and this is a little too cool, so I'm just gonna mix them and hope that gives me like a neutral brown color. Oh, that worked pretty well. I'm gonna go into this bright berry shade. I'm gonna put that all in my crease, packing this color all over my lid. Just doing like a berry tone smoky eye. I really like this little palette. I'm gonna start bringing it everywhere. I really like it. I'm gonna go off camera, put on mascara, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I have mascara on now, and let's just get into the face product. Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Face Primer. I thought I would try this because it was like the only primer I saw that appealed to me. So it's like really liquidy. Oh, it's one of these. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, to be honest. Really like glowy and everything, but it's more of a cream base, and it's kind of sticky on the skin, which I guess is good because you want your face makeup to stick, but it's just not really my vibe. This kind of primer tends to pill up on my skin a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't do that. I have two foundation products. I picked up the Wet n Wild Pump Makeup Locker little product that they came out with, the BB cream, and I also got the Cushion foundation. So I got the Cushion foundation in the shade Light Neutral Beige, and I picked these out online, so I don't know if they even match me at all. Orange, we'll see. That might work. Really am interested more in this little makeup locker thing. I can make that work. Kind of hate that it's a spatula and the lid is so bulky. I don't know how much to put on my face, so because it's like a BB cream, I figured it doesn't have much coverage. It's not as dewy as the Glossier Skin Tint. I like it. I think it looks good. Let's zoom in and see what it looks like close up. It's not super dewy or anything, but it definitely has like a satin finish. It's really lightweight. I think I really like that. Now on top it comes with a little like corrector, it says, and a highlight. The corrector is pretty freaking orange and that's just not really my vibe. And the highlight is literally not even a highlight. Like it's not even, doesn't show up. So I think that's kind of stupid, but the actual product is not bad. On Illuminati concealer, it's like a highlighting pen, and I got it in the shade Posing Nude. I love like highlighting type pens, and I thought this would be something cool. It was like $5. There's no way. This is way too dark for me. It's like a little too orangey. It's not very brightening on me. I think I got too dark of a shade. It gave me a little bit of coverage underneath the under eye, not much. Just a little bit. Let's move on to the contouring product, which I'm already orange enough, but you know. Cushion Bronzer Contour. Go in there with my sponge. And I'll just like put it where I want it. Like up here. I love a good cream contour, so hopefully I like this. Oh, that looks so pretty. Contouring my nose a little bit. These stickers on here, dude, they really don't want you to get into this. Oh, I just cut my toe. So it looks like this. It's a really pretty pink color. Ooh, that's like a highlight. I don't know about all that. That's really shimmery. Okay, I got this Wet n Wild little glow stick. I got on clearance for like $1 a little while ago at Target. It's in the shade Peach Bums. I'm gonna go in with this, with a stapling brush, and kind of give myself some color. This is in the shade Don't Flutter Yourself. A big fluffy brush instead of like a blush brush. And apply it and hope like it's not too much. It's one of their Mega Glow highlighting powders. I got it in the shade Blossom Glow, and I thought this would be really, really pretty. So we're gonna try this one out. Oh yeah, that is such a bomb highlight for the price. That's insane. I think I got this for like $4 or $5. A little highlight on the shoulder. It reminds me of summer. The thing we need to do is lips. This is the Wet n Wild Perfect Lip Scrub. I got it in scent Tangerine. It kind of looks like Play-Doh. It's really weird. My hand earlier, and it's like really scrubby. So I got this little lip gloss. It was like $3. It's in the shade Cherish, and it's like this pinky lip gloss. You can't really beat $2 lip gloss, dude. So hopefully it's good. Kind of smells like cake. A little too pale, I think. Let me add some color to my lip. Photo Focus spray. I got it in Snow Coconut. There was like rose and cucumber too, but got it in coconut. I'm really excited to see how this goes. I'm scared. Ooh. It's pretty like intense of a mist, but it's a nice mist. This is my finished look, all with Wet n Wild makeup. I hope you guys like this video. I like the way it turned out. I love the eyes. I love the highlight. I think it's super blinding and poppin'. If you guys liked this video, thank you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll see y'all soon.